Would you like to learn the top 5 cryptos in June 2023? If you guys can figure out which YouTube influencer I am impersonating, someone whose voice is just jarring, really jarring. He's a great guy, of course, but if you can guess who I am impersonating, I will send you $100. Let's get some engagement. So, bit of a wrap up. What is going on? We're getting towards the end of May. I hope you guys are doing amazing. By the way, we can see we've got mixed emotions in the crypto markets once again. We're seeing some major coins drop, but also seeing some blue chips also rise in price. We are finishing May with Bitcoin sitting at $28,000, which looks pretty good in my opinion. Ethereum is tumbling around $1,900. So in this video, we will explore the next 5 best coins that you could potentially scoop up and dollar cost average into for June 2023. Hope you guys are well. By the way, if you are new here, make sure you get yourself into the Discord listed down below with over 13,000 members already there. So let's crack on. And by the way, if you're not a patron and you do want to get some signals, we know we've got loads of trading signals and stuff, all that juicy goodness, do consider checking out the Patreon link as well. So let's crack on, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So coin number 1 will be Wall Street memes. We looked at this coin on Thursday last week when it went live. Already in just literally 4 days, they've raised $1.24 million of their massive pre-sale. So I've got about $3,000 worth of this 10x potential meme coin, and we can see that the price is going to go up in 4 days and 3 hours. So it makes sense to get into these particular coins as soon as possible. We can see one WSM token is worth $0.0256, and this can also be purchased on either the Ethereum or the Binance Smart Chain of your choice. So this is all about, you know, creating the next massive meme coin movement, and Wall Street memes already have a massive following of 217k followers, where they have announced that the pre-sale is actually live, which is super cool to see as well. So definitely Wall Street memes token is number 1 on my radar right now. I'm going to be aping into this and probably dollar cost averaging in throughout the pre-sale phases. There are a lot of phases. It's got a $30 million hard cap, but we can see it says we meme business. We're going to have a merch store go live, and here's a ton of historical like memes, which, you know, Elon Musk actually engaged with at one point as well. And yeah, we've got some crazy stuff to share with you. So they have the roadmap finally released. We didn't actually have this last time round, but we can see phase 1 will be the foundation, the smart contract development. We're going to see community building like the Telegram, Discord, you know, the airdrop and everything like that, branding and marketing, and then merchandise and swag. Then in phase 2, we'll see the token launch, where the WSM token officially takes off. Get ready for liftoff. Then we'll see some partnerships. We'll see the token listings, secure listings on decentralized exchanges for liquidity and accessibility for trading. We're going to see more exchange listings on centralized exchanges, and also awareness campaigns, which is really nice. The last one will be community empowerment, where we're going to get a gated community, a market cap goal of $1 billion, a tier 1 sex listing drive as well. Could even be something crazy like Binance, and yeah, more awareness on top of that. So super cool. Tokenomically, you need to know your tokenomics. 50% are in the pre-sale, 30% for the community rewards, and then you got 10% on sex liquidity and 10% on DEX liquidity right there. Sex liquidity, ooh la la. 50k airdrop as well, guys, which is pretty cool. That's $50,000 that they're giving away, and you can participate in this particular campaign by smashing a click on that link I've got down below for you. So as always, not financial advice. Got to do your own research in every single crypto entity, do your own due diligence, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Yes, I can afford to lose $3,000 at this particular point in time, but of course we are all different. We have different paths, different journeys, and different budgets. Coin number 2, ladies and gents, is going to be the one and only Ethereum. That's right, so $1,900 at the moment. I love Ethereum. It's the tip of the iceberg for the, you know, the altcoin sector. Without Ethereum, dApps would not be built, and I think we're going to see Ethereum absolutely go wild in the future. At the moment, ETH has a $230 billion market capitalization, and looking back in the past, we can see it came up to $559 billion. So it's looking good. And what really excites me even more is that when we look at the circulating supply of Ethereum right now, it's of course gone into a deflationary mode. And we can see the supply is actually starting to slowly drop away, which looks really cool. And finally, we are going to see, in my opinion, the scarcity increase for this particular coin as well. But we can see the supply is dropping off. Just change the chart once again, and we can look at, like, for instance, April 2023. There were how many coins? 120.4 million ETH tokens. Now we can see there are just 120 million ETH tokens, so 400,000 tokens have already been burnt in about 8 weeks, but nobody is talking about it, and that is super bullish in my honest opinion. We can see the supply growth on the year is minus 0.58%, and we can see the burn for the year 1.4 million right there, with the issuance of 703,000 ETH tokens. So yes, we are deflationary. We're seeing the supply reduce, which looks super nice as well, and that is the current rate that we're seeing at minus 0.57% per year. So in 10 years, a 5% reduction, and so on and so on and so on, making it more scarce. Technically, one day Ethereum could possibly have the same supply level as Bitcoin as well. So what would that do to the price? Maybe it could even 10x the price straight up. XRP is going to be the next coin, because we have the lawsuit potentially settling once and for all. When we look at the all-time data for XRP, we can see the price was so high back in 2018 at $3.30. Looking at the market capital, the last bull run, Ethereum had a good shot and it hit 70 billion. And at the moment, we're sort of chilling around $26 billion mark. There was a tweet recently that said from Mr. Huber, just a couple days ago, it says, "Lol, do you realize what Ripple did within just the last 72 hours? Torres issued her order on the Hinman emails. They acquired Metaco SAR, launched a CBDC platform, and hired an Amazon CFO. Looking forward to next week." And then we do a bit of research, and there is actually an article saying Brad Garlinghouse comments on SEC versus the Ripple case lawsuit judgment. So yes, did I mention this is coin number 3? Well, this is coin number 3, and it says, as the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit edges closer to resolution, the crypto industry is watching with bated breath. So basically, there is the speculation that the disclosure date will be the 13th of June 2023, where the development might tilt the balance in Ripple's favor, and that would be so cool to see this. I think it's possible to see Ripple return to 50 cents or something. We're already at 50 cents, my bad. I meant to say 60 cents. 60 cents, 70 and 75 cents is very realistic for this particular coin. If you look at the last month, it has been very bullish. You know, the market cap is rising for this coin. It's already up by about 20% in the last month, and we are seeing some green candles flow for this particular coin right now. So good chance we can retest the high 50s. Ideally, it'd be nice to see XRP come up to $1 level, and I think if it wins the lawsuit, a lot of people will ape in and FOMO into this particular coin right here. So I don't know if there is a price prediction here. Doesn't look like they're giving an established one, but the 45 cents level is of course an area, in my opinion. 50 cents, very possible, has already hit that now, but for the future I still think $1-2 is very realistic for, you know, this particular coin. Next coin is gonna be Iota, everybody. Trading at 21 cents at the moment. This coin is an absolute steal. It really is an absolute steal. 22 cents is pumped massively this month, already up 25%. It's one of the most sustainable, eco-friendly coins out there, and it's only got $600 million market capitalization, which is pretty low. So a 10x takes it to 6 billion, 100x takes it to 60 billion market capital, and these are all very pragmatic numbers. This is Iota, an open source, scalable, feeless, green, and permissionless distributed ledger Iota Foundation. This is the website right here. So if you've not looked at it before, they are integrating with artificial intelligence as well, and they've got a massive future ahead of them, and I think it's absolutely insane to see this good sort of stuff, you know, occurring in the markets, and I'm glad that they've survived and still are a top 100 coin. Now, the last crypto that we are going to look at, coin number 5, will of course be Ethereum, because Ethereum, Bitcoin, what's going on? I can't talk in this video, so sorry guys. But what's happening is Bitcoin. We are still in an undervaluation phase. We've still got a lot of mess out there in terms of, you know, geopolitical crisis, the economy, which is falling to pieces, inflation, but Bitcoin is surviving. Bitcoin is looking good. It's May. We're halfway through 2023. We're still in a bear market, and we're looking at a $28,000 valuation on Bitcoin with a very nice market capital of $543 billion. And personally, guys, if you are bullish on crypto, blockchain, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency being part of the future, then you've got to be bullish on Bitcoin. There's no sense. It doesn't matter what month we're looking at, whether it's in the future, in the past, now, tomorrow, in a week, in a month. Bitcoin should always be somewhat on your list for that long-term hold. There's only ever going to be 21 million max supply. Most of those coins are lost forever, whether someone just can't get into their account anyway, so it's just crypto dust, can't be moved, effectively not part of the supply anymore. But it's Bitcoin, and I seriously speculate that this coin can get up to $150,000 to $200,000 by the next crypto bull run. So Bitcoin is on the list as number 5 in my honest opinion. I really love this particular token. And everyone should have a bit of Bitcoin once in a while, make it your objective every month, just a tiny bit of Bitcoin if you can, just the smallest amounts. And I don't care if I buy it 28k, 20k, 30k, 35k, because I still believe the future. By 2030 onwards, we're going to see Bitcoin trading way above $500,000. So there is my top crypto to buy in June 2023. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, you better slap that subscribe, like and comment, and hopefully I'll see you around in some future videos. Let me know what you want to see on the channel. Very mixed markets at the moment. On the day, we're seeing some red, we're seeing some green. Do check out that Wall Street memes pre-sale that I spoke about at the start of this video, which has 10x potential. And remember guys, always do your own research. This is not financial advice, and thank you for watching. See you all soon.